Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today we will reveal one of the most instructive and tragic stories described in the Holy Quran, the story of the first murder on earth committed by Qabil Cain against his own brother Habil Abel. In Surah Al-Ma'idah 5:27-32, Allah tells us this story in detail as an eternal warning to all mankind. Recite to them the true story of the two sons of Adam. Behold, they offered a sacrifice and it was accepted from one of them and was not accepted from the other. He said, I will surely kill you. The one replied, Verily, Allah accepts only from the God-fearing. This first murder in the history of mankind was due to envy Hadid. When Allah accepted the sacrifice of Habil, he sacrificed the best ram from his flock, but did not accept the sacrifice of Qabil, he brought the worst fruit from his field. Prophet Muhammad Pbuh in a hadith transmitted by Ibn Abbas narrated the horrifying details of this event. After the murder, Qabil did not know what to do with his brother's body, and Allah sent two ravens who showed him how to bury the body. Then Qabil exclaimed, Woe is me! Can I not be like this raven to hide my brother's body? Tafsir ibn Kasir. This murder became the symbol of all subsequent crimes of mankind. It combined three grave sins: envy, disobedience of Allah, and killing an innocent person. Interesting facts about this story. 1. Habil became the first martyr shaheed in history. 2. This is the first mention of the burial of the deceased in Islamic sources. 3. Qabil used a stone or iron instrument to kill him according to different interpretations. 4. The brother's age at the time of the murder, according to Islamic sources, was about 20 years old. 5. The murder took place in the area of Mecca, where the Kaaba was later built. But why did Allah allow this murder to take place? There is great wisdom in this. 1. It was a lesson to all mankind about the consequences of envy and anger. 2. Showed the need to establish laws and prohibitions against murder. 3. Demonstrated how Shaitan uses our passions to do evil. 4. Established the principle: whoever killed a soul not for a soul or spreading wickedness on earth, it is as if he had killed all people. 5:32. How does this story relate to us today? Every time envy of other Muslims' successes, such as their financial status, knowledge, or position in society, arises in our hearts, we repeat the sin of Qabil in miniature. The Prophet, peace be upon him, warned, Beware of envy, for envy devours good deeds like fire devours wood. Abu Dawud. Dear brothers and sisters, let us learn lessons from this story. 1. Always control your anger. 2. Avoid envy of others. 3. Accept Allah's will even if something does not go our way. 4. Remember that every action we take has consequences. Share in the comments, what lessons did you learn from the story of Qabil and Habil? If you want a detailed breakdown of other instructive stories from the Quran, give us a like and write I want to know more. May Allah protect us from the sins of envy and anger. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.